Welcome to our special presentations on the incredible power of turmeric, the natural remedy that can truly transform your health and well-being. Today, we'll explore the healing properties of this ancient spice and inspire you to make it an essential part of your daily routine. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicines for its remarkable health benefits. But did you know that scientists' research has also backed up these claims? Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help combat chronic inflammations, a major contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But that's not all. Turmeric has also been found to support brain health. Research suggests that curcumin may enhance memory, improve cognitive functions, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's. Isn't that amazing? Someone said, I was suffering from chronic joint pain for years until I discovered the power of turmeric. Incorporating it into my daily routine has been life-changing. I can now enjoy activities I love without discomfort. I wish I had known about sooner. Imagine a life with improved joint health, a sharper mind, and reduced risk chronic disease. Turmeric offers all of that and more. But how can we incorporate this incredible spice into our lives? One of the easiest ways to enjoy the benefit of turmeric is by adding it to your meals. Sprinkle roasted vegetable, stir it into soups, or even make a delicious turmeric latte. The options are endless. Now that we know about the incredible benefit of turmeric, let's explore how we can easily incorporate this golden spice into our daily lives. Get ready for some tantalizing turmeric recipes. First, let's start with the basics. There are two primary forms of turmeric you can use: fresh turmeric roots or powdered turmeric. Both are equally effective and offer their unique flavors. If you choose fresh turmeric roots, simply peel the skin and grate or finely chop it. Powdered turmeric is ready, available in grocery stores, and can be used in a variety of ways. One of the simplest ways to consume turmeric is by adding it to your beverages. For a refreshing drink, try making turmeric ginger lemonade. Simply mix fresh lemon juice, grated ginger, a pinch of turmeric, honey, and water. Serve over ice for a zesty, healthy boosting beverages. Turmeric is incredibly versatile in cooking and can be used in multitude of recipes. Let's explore a few mouth-watering options. 1. Creamy turmeric curry. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and saute diced onions and minced garlic until golden. Add your choice of vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and peas, and cook until tender. Sprinkle turmeric powder, curry powder, and a pinch of chili flakes. Pour in coconut milk, stir well, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Serve the creamy turmeric curry over steamy rice or with warm naan bread. Number 2. Golden turmeric smooth bowl. In a blender, combine frozen bananas, mango chunks, a splash of coconut milk, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a bowl and top it with the sliced fruits, granola, and drizzles of honey. Enjoy a nourishing and visually stunning breakfast. Number 3. Turmeric roasted vegetable. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Toss a mix of your favorite vegetable, such as cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, with olive oil, turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. Spread them evenly on baking sheets and roast it for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden and tender. Serve as a delicious and nutritious side dish. Whether it's refreshing beverage, a vibrant smooth bowl, a wholesome roasted vegetable dish, or a comfort curry, turmeric can transform your meals into healthy, enhancing delights. Remember, by incorporating turmeric into your daily diet, you can unleash power benefits and take proactive approach toward healthy lifestyle. Remember, it's important to consume turmeric in the right amount to experience its full potential. Consider consulting a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage of your specific needs. Taking care of your body is the key to healthy and fulfilling life. So let's make turmeric part of our daily routine and nourish ourselves from within. As we conclude our journey into the power of turmeric, remember that nature has provided us with incredible remedies to support our well-being. Let's embrace the knowledge and empower ourselves to lead healthy, vibrant lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. Bye-bye now.